Hello, everyone. If you're joining me today, this is a project that I'm doing for my entrepreneurial creation course, ENT 610 at Western Carolina University. This is a four-part project for situation analysis. The analysis that I am focusing on is the value chain analysis, and I am partnered with Jared Bailey, so he also provided content for this presentation. The company that we are analyzing is Exit Denver Cafe. A little bit about Exit Denver. It's a play on words, exit. So as you can guess, this is a breakfast cafe, but it's also we also serve lunch. So currently, it's a hypothetical business. It is owned by husband and wife, Jared and Caitlin Bailey. It's named after the town in which the restaurant and owners reside, Denver, North Carolina. Now, if you have not heard of Denver, North Carolina before, it's not to be mistaken with Denver, Colorado. It is a very small town outside of Charlotte, right adjacent to Huntersville, North Carolina. The We're going to jump right into the value chain analysis, Michael Porter's value chain analysis. I have an actual picture of the value chain analysis. And very quickly, you'll see up top the support activities is the firm infrastructure, human resource management, technology development, procurement, and down at the bottom, you'll see primary activities, which are your inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and service. Inbound logistics. So we're going to focus on each one of these. So the inbound logistics for Exit Denver, we purchase the majority of our food and supplies from Restaurant Depot. Restaurant Depot, if you're not familiar, is a members only chain and it sells wholesale food, beverages, equipment, and supplies for restaurants and bars. The membership is actually free. How you become a member, you have to be a restaurant owner, run a catering business, nonprofit organization, and we have actually worked with Restaurant Depot firsthand. We have some really good friends and family members who are caterers, and we have had the opportunity to go with them since they are catering our events, go with them, see the prices, see the products, and it's great. They have everything you need to run your restaurant, huge selection, very low prices. And so we are going to definitely go to Restaurant Depot for the majority of our restaurant needs. But we want to deliver on some of our promises of fresh, locally grown produce, and we plan to visit the Charlotte Regional's Farmer Market for our fruits, our vegetables, jams, and jellies. We also want to offer Pepsi products, and we will partner directly with the Pepsi representative. Uh, and the good thing about Pepsi, they are able to look at your region and suggest to you what you need to sell. So, say for example, if Diet Dr. Pepper does not sell very well in our area, then they will suggest this is something that a product that you may not want to offer. So, I think that is a great plus to partnering with Pepsi, and they will deliver, to the restaurant. The operations. The restaurant equipment will have a flat top grill, general purpose commercial range, countertop food warmer, a commercial coffee maker, and an air fryer. And why I save that one kind of for last is because a lot of those other equipments you will see when you walk into any diner or cafe, but the air fryer, I think, is a little different. It's something that's just now starting to take off. And in order to support the healthy living climate, we definitely want to offer that option. I don't think healthy living is a fad. I think people are definitely turning to healthier options like air fried foods, cage-free eggs, gluten-free options. Also, the premix soda machine that will be provided by Pepsi. And while we're choosing the premix machine, is that, and what that is uh, the soda already comes in canisters. So you basically just take it and pour it into your machine, which is great for the smaller operations. The alternative would be you would have the syrup and you would mix it in your machine. And that, it's more cost effective that way, but that's only really suggested if you're running a very large restaurant. The restaurant layout, like I said, it's going to be small, seating capacity of about 50 persons, booth and table seating, a counter to serve as a pay station and a pickup area, hostess stand, and a waiting area. The outbound logistics. The Exit Denver Cafe, we operate Monday through Saturday, 6 a.m. to 3 p.m., closed on Sundays, and we'll be serving breakfast and lunch items. We are really going to pride ourselves on great, superior customer service and healthy alternatives, like I mentioned earlier, air fried foods. The food is going to be prepared and cooked on site in a short order manner. Customers are able to dine in or take their food to go. Marketing and sales. Being in a small town, we are really going to utilize this sense of community we have here by advertising in the local paper, which Denver has two, the Denver Weekly and the Denver Times. We plan to advertise at the local sporting events, whether it be broadcasting over the announcers radio or for the banners at the local games, or maybe sponsoring some of the local Pee Wee teams. Also, we plan to have a Facebook page, very low maintenance, to let people know about our specials for the day and just let them know that we're open, and we would love to have them dine with us. Service. We want to offer some fun board games at the table. We really want to get back to a time where, everyone was kind of engaged with each other at family, and we just take a time for families to reconnect. We'll also offer for our, we are living in a digital age. So we are going to have the free Wi-Fi because I'm sure there will be tablets, phones, everybody always has their devices. We also want to offer kid-friendly coloring menus and crayons. This is a very, I would say, athletic and town and very sports oriented. So we would love to have the sports memorabilia from all the local schools to kind of let them know we're here. We have school spirit, and we would just love for everybody to feel included and, welcoming at our diner. Support activity. We really want like a barn style restaurant with some outdoor seating. We would love to have, pet friendly patio, very small scale. Human resource management. This is family owned and operated. We want to provide some opportunity for jobs here in our community. So we will have a small staff, a wait staff, and cooks with Jared and I also working in-house. Support activities, technology development. We want to create an exit app, which allows an application for your phone, which allows you to place your to-go orders online. We also want to offer Apple Pay and TVs. Like I said, we want to be able to watch the highlights for people to come in and watch the news, or the highlights for the games, something that makes them feel, like they're at home. Procurement, we really won't be having any kind of warehouse. All of our food and materials will be stored on site. We plan on having a refrigerated truck to transport the items from Charlotte back. It's like I said, we're not too far, but it is probably about a 30-minute drive from Restaurant Depot. So we want to have a way to transport that back to on site at Exit Denver Cafe. Just some references there. So I was able to get a little bit more details about the services and providers that we wanted to use for Exit Denver Cafe. So thank you all for joining me. Please stop into Exit Denver Cafe when it is opened. Like I said before, I want to reiterate, this is a hypothetical business. Thank you all.